Hi guys, so I'm here with Dennis from Honda Mini. He's going to take us through some of these beautiful, I guess, Honda Minis that he's got here. We feature a lot of big bikes on Pete's Classic Cycle, but never really the little guys, the bikes that get us all started in the hobby. So we let Dennis take it away.
These are my Minis. It's my specialty. It's the Honda 50s. And everything here is 50cc. And I restored all of these bikes. I restored these bikes full time. That's all I do.
Sorry.
These are MR50s, super rare bike, only made 2 years. And I got a couple guys shopping here today. And both of these might be sold today.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you restore these bikes to sell them, or?
Yeah. I'm not a collector.
Okay.
I mean, I love the bikes. I've had 50s since I was 10 years old.
Yeah.
But so far, I'm not a collector. Everything I build, I sell. Everything here is for sale.
Oh, wow.
So
that's awesome.
At some point, I'll keep some of my bikes. I've been tempted to keep these two, but I'd rather get the money. These bikes are all in the show.
Wow.
For prize money and
unbelievable
trophies and stuff.
Yeah.
Not that I need any more. I have a spare bedroom completely filled with trophies. I've 30 of these bikes right now.
30? Wow.
They come and go pretty quick. 10 of them here today. Yeah. 10 here today, because that's all I can fit in the trailer.
Yeah.
Do one trip, I got 10 bikes here, all for sale.
Out of all the generations of the Honda Minis, is there any one specific that speaks out to you?
For me, it's the K3 generation.
Yeah.
I got one when I was 10 years old.
Okay. Awesome.
And I've been hooked on them ever since.
Yeah.
This is a 73. I got a 74 when I was 10.
Okay.
So
that's awesome.
I was pretty lucky, yeah.
Yeah.
Because it was 300. We paid $300 for one of these in 74, and that was a lot of money back then.
That's awesome. Now, with the market and stuff, obviously, like, mini bikes, it's just seem to be becoming more and more popular over the years. Like, especially the Honda Z50s. Like, what parts are hard to find, and what do you look out
I
for?
sell all the parts, but the original Honda parts are becoming really rare.
Yeah.
Like these are original Honda bars.
Yeah.
That's an original seat.
Is it? Wow.
Whereas most of the bikes I build use a lot of aftermarket parts.
Okay.
So,
Very cool.
but it's getting to the point where the reproduction stuff is so good it's hard to tell them apart.
Yeah, I know it's same with the big bikes. Like, you get a reproduction seat or a kickstart pedal, like it's the same, if not better, than the original. And
actually, that's true.
Yeah.
The aftermarket bars actually have better chrome than the original Hondas.
Wow.
So, but it's like a set of bars like this from Honda. Well, they're not available.
Yeah.
That's $1,000 for a set of bars. Because the aftermarket ones are under 200.
That's unbelievable.
Same with the seat. That's $1,000 seat. Original Honda seat.
Wow. So when you got into restoring the 50s, what made you gravitate to these? Was it just reliving a thing from the youth?
Yeah.
Okay. That's awesome.
I sold my bike that I had when I was a child.
Yeah.
And then I went to the US and bought 2 bikes, restored those, and it just snowballed from there. To where
So usually does.
Yeah, it became like I stopped working 12, 13 years ago, and this is all I do.
Really?
This is all I've done since then. I've probably built over 200 bikes.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So you really are the Z50 guy then?
Yeah. That's what most people say. Yeah.
Hey, right.
A Dennis the mini bike guy.
Yeah,
so.
well, that's there's worse titles to have than that, so that's awesome, Dennis.